everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start with my crease. I'm going to start with this palette right here. I have a pretty good dip in this palette. So I'm just going to use what I've been using, this pink. I'm trying to use it up. So I'm just going to go all over the crease with the shade. Been like a crazy week, but yeah. Just gonna do a video today since I didn't do one yesterday. So I'm gonna do one today. I'm gonna go in with this coral shade and then this one. Coral Punch is the name. This lighter pink. Just gonna mix that in. And then go in with Ice Pop. Very powder formula. And then I'm gonna do it with the other eye. So I don't know what to do with my eye look just yet, but I did hit pan on this shade and this shade. And a little pan on this one as well. So I'm very happy. I'm thinking about this green color right here. And I'm holding like a detailed brush, so I don't know what to do. But I want to dig into this green. I'm going to start with the outer portion of my eye and see where that goes. It's a very pretty green. Just don't need a detailed brush. Okay, I already put this on my eyes for where I want to put this dark green on. So like within the crease area. Wow. Kind of looks the same. Oh well. It's pretty. Like these dollar store is very good when you want to pack on some color. So I do highly recommend like these from the Dollar Tree. They're really good. Look at that. I'm going in with this lime green. This is all shimmer palette, so it's really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the rest of the eye. Using a different brush. Gonna pack that on. Going in with this blue right here. Of course, I'm gonna put this underneath. Then I'm going in with this blue right here. Then I'm going in with this blue. Going in with the yellow. There. And then going in with this yellow right here. Right on top of the matte yellow. Okay, here's the finished look. I really like it. I enjoy the colors. I love green. So that's very beautiful. Like the shimmer is very pigmented. I like that with the pink and the yellow, with the blue, greens. I like that. Very cute. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.